Hello and welcome to cake. Today I'm making a super easy but super delicious lemon loaf cake, and I'm sure you already have all the required ingredients at home. Let's review the ingredients together. For this recipe, I'm using 4 eggs, 200 grams of sugar, 90 grams of vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons of milk and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 240 grams of flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and the zest of 1 lemon. For the glaze, I used some powdered sugar, lemon juice, and vanilla extract. Let's begin with the recipe. I begin by beating the eggs for about a minute or two, and then adding in the sugar, and beating this for about a minute until it becomes lighter. Now to this, I'm going to add some of the liquids, so the vegetable oil and milk. The zest of 1 lemon, and of course some flour and baking powder. And finally, for the aroma, some vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm now going to preheat my oven to about 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And for this cake, I'm using a loaf cake pan, which has a size of about 9 by 3 inches or 22 by 8 centimeters. And I've greased the sides with some vegetable oil and lined the base with parchment paper. And now my cake is going to bake for about 35 to 45 minutes. Once it's out of the oven, I'm going to prepare the glaze. For the glaze, I'm using 180 grams of powdered sugar and enough lemon juice to give me a fluid consistency so I can distribute this on the cake, and some vanilla extract. My cake is ready and has now cooled to room temperature. I can just easily remove it from the pan. And distribute my glaze on this. And I don't think there's anything else needed to say to this. How delicious does this look? I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. That would be a huge help. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.